Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to link your Pokemon Go account to your Pokemon Trainer Club account. Doing this helps keep your progress safe and allows you to log in across different devices. To get started, open Pokemon Go on your phone and tap the Pokeball icon at the bottom. From there, go to Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Account section where you'll see options to link accounts like Google, Facebook, and Pokemon Trainer Club. Tap on Pokemon Trainer Club, then log in with your Trainer Club username and password. If you don't already have a Trainer Club account, just tap on the Create an Account button and create one with your details. After registering, verify your email address before trying to link it in Pokemon Go. Once linked, you'll see Pokemon Trainer Club listed as a connected login provider in your account settings. From now on, you can sign in to Pokemon Go using either your training club credentials or any other linked account. And that's how you link Pokemon Go to your Pokemon Trainer Club account. Thanks for watching.